Hi, my name is Rachel Pullman, and this is my discussion board post for the Psych 112 for BYU Idaho. Um, so, the career that I am interested in pursuing is a licensed professional counselor. Um, a little bit of background on me is I am an online student. I am graduating in April, so this has been a really good class to help me figure out exactly what I want to do and really make sure that I have done all my research. I was not expecting to learn as much as I am in this class, and I'm actually very grateful and very excited about it. Okay, um, so licensed professional counselors, or LPCs, are mental health professionals who work with and help people resolve psychological, emotional, and substance abuse problems. They can specialize in a lot of areas, including school counseling, marriage and family counseling, substance abuse counseling, and other mental health problems like trauma. Where I want to focus particularly is a little bit more about my history is that I am adopted. I was adopted as an infant. And all in all, I was a great experience growing up, but there were some times, like more pivotal times, like 12 years old, and like when I became the age my birth mom was when she had me and gave me up for adoption. Those were really, really difficult years. And my parents did the best that they could with what they knew. But I could have, and I think they could have really benefited from professional counseling with someone who has had experience and training in adoptive or foster care families. So that's kind of the more specialized area that I want to go into um, as I continue my education. So the education necessary is I've looked into several graduate programs, and almost all of them require a minimum of 3.0 to apply for master's in counseling or clinical mental health or social work. The programs are usually about 2 years. Some of them include the internship as part of the coursework. Others is that you do that after graduation. The two that I'm really seriously looking at include the internship with the coursework. So you have access to your professors, which I think is really great. Okay, so this is how education relates to my four-year plan. So I'm graduating with a bachelor's in marriage and family studies in April. I'm so excited. And I'm taking the GRE in a couple weeks, which I'm nervous about, but I think I've been preparing, so I should do okay. And I've asked for my letters of recommendation. Those should be done, I said, by like beginning of September. So I plan to complete my applications to Northwestern. They have a great online master's in counseling. And then Arizona State University, which is 20 minutes from my house, has a master's in counseling. And Northern Arizona University has a satellite campus in Phoenix with a master's in clinical mental health. And all of their deadline applications are by January of 2019 for the fall semester in 2019. So hopefully I'll get into one of those, or hopefully all of them, so I can choose um, in the fall of 2019, and it'll take me about 2 years to graduate. So by the end of my four-year plan, I will be licensed as a licensed professional counselor with my internship finished and everything ready to go. So it's kind of a cool place to be. Like I can see light at the end of the tunnel. So my reasons for psychology is I love it. I've always loved it. I've always loved getting to know people and what makes them tick, which is similar to the strong interest in psychology in the book. Um, I love how psychology has prepared me to better understand people, better understand my family. It's just a really good, solid undergraduate degree. And um, I love to learn. I kind of am a lifelong learner. I'm 35 and going back to school. So, um, that my reasons to continue my education go along with the desire to be a professional counselor. Thanks for watching.